Hello everyone. Hope you're all having a great day. If this is your first time visiting my channel, my name is Unwana, and every week I try to share important content on how to improve your personal finance and also grow your wealth. So if this is your first time here, thank you very much for being here. I also want to thank all my subscribers for helping grow this channel really quickly. So in today's topic, we're going to discuss how to create surplus cash for savings and investment. So the first thing you want to do is you want to create a spending plan. What a spending plan is basically a fancy term for a budget. I know having a budget sounds very restrictive for most people, but the first thing you want to do is you want to create a budget or a spending plan. So basically what that does is it gives you a roadmap, a financial roadmap on how to allocate your resources. So basically you take all your income that comes in, you also calculate your expenses, and what's left for most people might be a positive or a negative number. So if you have a positive number, bravo to you. If you have a negative number, then we have work to do. That's how I was before. I used to end up with negative numbers until I sat down and I created a budget, and then I'm able to effectively allocate my resources. So number one, you have to create a budget. So basically, if you're not sure how to create a budget, I do have some videos on my channel on how to create your first budget or budgeting 101, whatever. There are lots of resources on my channel for you to check out on how to create a budget. So that's the first thing you want to do. You want to create a budget. Okay. Number two, you want to get rid of all your bad debt. So when I say bad debt, I'm talking about your car payments, I'm talking about credit card debt, I'm talking about payday loans, I'm talking about high interest loans, I'm talking about personal loans. So anything that takes money out of your pocket every single month, you want to get rid of that. For most people, if you have a mortgage can be considered a good debt because basically you're building some form of equity while you're paying down your mortgage. So a mortgage might be considered a good debt in certain scenarios, but in this scenario I'm talking about bad debt like credit card debt. So basically when you have a car loan, a car is a depreciating asset. So you're spending money on principal payments and interest payments, you're spending money on upkeep for the vehicle, you're spending money on insurance, you're spending money on fuel, maintenance and all that. I mean, a car is not an investment. So when I hear people say, oh, I'm investing in a car or in a new car, that's not an investment. Remember, investments put money in your pocket. Liabilities take money out of your pocket. So if your car is taking money out of your pocket, how is it an investment? So don't get things wrong. Your car is not an investment. The only time a car is an investment is if it's generating income for you, such as if you have your car doing Uber or Lyft or Postmates or whatever. As long as that car is generating income for you, then we can technically say, well, it's an asset because it's generating revenue for you. All right. Number three, okay, you want to start a business. Okay, you have to have multiple streams of income. Gone are the days when you could just have one source of income, aka your job or job, and then you could live comfortably with that. But today, with all the pressures, with inflation, with devaluation of currencies, you have to have other sources of income. There is just no two ways about it. Otherwise, you continue being in the same rut. Okay, going, like in a hamster wheel. All right, living paycheck to paycheck. So you have to make sure that you generate multiple sources of income. And on my channel, I do have lots of resources on different forms of businesses you can start today. And the beauty of it is with the internet today, there are so many options for you. You can go into affiliate marketing, you can go into social media marketing agency, okay? You can go into digital products, you can go into e-commerce. So there's so many opportunities out there. Just to give you an example, okay, I'm also an affiliate for different products. So basically, I don't have to create the products, I don't have to handle customer service. All I do is I have my affiliate link and I share the link all over the place. Now, if somebody clicks on the link and purchases something, guess what? I get paid. I have programs that I'm an affiliate for, and every month I generate some revenue. Yeah, it might be very small amounts, but guess what? That's revenue that I didn't have to work for, to get that particular income. Okay, so I also have a social media marketing agency where I help local businesses with website designs, with Facebook ads, with Instagram ads, So you have to create multiple sources of income. And also, I have a job. Okay, having a job helps you with a consistent flow of income, but also you have to be smart with the money that you make from your job. You can allocate some of it into starting a business, which is why you have to create a budget. You have to have some surplus income coming in, and then you can now divert the surplus income into paying down debt and into starting a business. All right. Number 4, you want to invest in income producing assets. So number 1, you create a budget, you figure out where your surplus income is. Number 2, you use that income to pay down your bad debt. Now this creates more cash flow for you, and with the cash flow that you have, you can now start a business. Okay, there's businesses out there that don't require too much capital, but no matter what business you go into, you're gonna need some form of capital. All right. Then number 4, as you're creating more income, generating more income, more cash flow, surplus cash coming in, you can now divert that into acquiring income producing assets. The key to creating long-term wealth is being able to invest in assets that consistently generate income from you. Okay, you have to look at things this way. How long are you going to work? How long is your body going to physically carry you around? So you want to you have to start thinking that way. Okay, so you have to come up with a plan, okay, on what you're going to do. So when the time comes, you can quit your job or you can quit your business and then relax and have this income coming in on a passive level. So that's my goal for everyone. That's why I created this channel, because I kept seeing how things were going in my life, and I was like, you know what, I could create value for people. I could share the knowledge that I have learned, because sometimes experience is the best teacher. When I was growing up, I used to hear that experience is the best teacher. So if you don't learn from your experience, then I'm sorry, I can't help you. All right, so I have tons of information here. I hope you found value with my videos. I hate having long videos. I like to keep my videos very short because I value your time. So if this is your first time here and you haven't hit that like button yet, please go ahead and smash that like button. Also, don't forget that red button right there that says subscribe. I really appreciate it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And finally, hit the notification bell, okay, to all, so that way whenever I post great content, you'll be notified. That's the beauty of YouTube, of social media. You know, once you set the notifications, you will be notified when I have new videos up. So if you like my content, please share it with people that you think might benefit from it. I really appreciate you all. I mean, the channel is growing really fast, and I appreciate all your support and your feedback. And don't forget to leave comments for me. I make sure that I answer every single comment. You can go through all my feeds and see every video that someone left a comment. I reply to those comments. Okay, so I value your input, I value your support. Make sure you check the description below for some available resources that I have for you. In terms of, I also have an ebook on people who are dealing with credit issues. I also have an ebook on people who are looking for a blueprint to create wealth. These are things that I have put together based on my experience and based on my research that can help you. And I'm just here trying to share value with everyone and to share content. So thank you very much for your time. I hope you have a wonderful 2021, and please make sure you follow me on social media. And I really thank you all for being here. So thank you, take care, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much. Bye bye.